Oh my God. This is crazy.
Mom, we need to move into its body.
Like, look it.
Let's go, Holody!
It's crazy deep.
Holy!
Oh, good Lord.
Holy mother!
Okay, settle down.
Like,
Oh, that's like sewage or something. Whew.